I know you are very talented. Okay, come in the video call. Then I'll guide you. Okay? Okay, so you are here. What I'm talking about, that all of you are very talented. And if you really have a passion to draw something, then yes, you can do it. I know. Are you ready to do something? Then pause this video and bring one pencil, okay, and paper, any paper. Bring that. Pause it right now. Then how I'm showing you, start that. So first, when you take the paper and pencil, very simple, you have to draw one just circle. Yes, and then one standing line like this way, little diagonal, and then one line like this way. So this is how here I am showing, but actual, see now next part you see. And if you are really want to cause a breakthrough in making something amazing which you never thought, then stay with me and don't go fast forward. Go step by step. So first, what I'm showing you, you also make and then come back. And you can't believe what you have drawn. Yes. So everybody of you are talented. You need some guidance. You need someone mentoring you for any area of your life, and you can cause amazing results. This is just one example I'm showing you. Whatever you want to do in your life, you need mentor, and mentor will be guide you, demand you. They will not allow you to being a casual. So because you have given your word, you have promised, yes, I will do it. So mentor will always ask you to do something. So let's start the drawing. Next part, what I'm giving you, and see the end of the result in this video only. Don't go for next 10 minutes, don't go. Stay with your pencil and paper, and how I am showing you, you also do that. And then end of this session, just click a photograph of your whatever you have drawn, beautiful, that whatever it is beautiful, and then post in below comment section with your experience. So let's start. Okay, so are you ready with paper and pencil? Okay, paper you keep border line. Okay, always before starting the drawing, draw margin line. This now very simple. Okay, so before starting, I'm Kavita here. I'm fine art trainer, author and entrepreneur. So I'm giving fine art online training since 2004, and now I'm giving for you to make you present your inner talent. So let's start. So first you see the paper height. Okay, so here paper height is actual this, but I have kept margin line. So whatever the paper height inside the margin line, make whatever I'm giving right now, height should be at least half of the paper size or little more than. Okay, don't make very small. Okay, so suppose this is the paper size height, if you see at least this much, no? So here let's, what I'm making, very simple thing, draw one circle very lightly, don't press your pencil. You can do it this easy. Yeah, now this is one standing line. I'm showing you very simple right now. Okay, if you see this is this much big, then just double of this standing line. Then here little bottom, one small line up to here. Okay, and then here also one small line. Very simple. circle or oval, and then standing line and 2 sleeping line. This standing line little big up to this oval, and this is little small. Okay, now the same height, but this is 2 now, 2 times of head. So same way approximately you take 1, okay, this much, then okay, and then this side also 1, and can you see something simple? Now this side here up to approx, and then see this, so same way, and then this side hand this much, simple. Okay, so once you done this, you find it easy, very easy. Now here this way like this, so now you got that. This look like some figure, this we call stick drawing. So this is easy, no? You have done within 3 minutes, you have done. Now we are going to make this a boy. So let's start. This is neckline, so just give 2 curve here, okay, and then here 1, see the collar line like a t-shirt line, then whatever you shoulder, see this shoulder, then make this line double up to here, same way here also make it. Now you can make it dark up to here, and then this line also see dark, and then here, and this part little narrow and come up to here. Here also come like this way, here narrow, see. So this is like simple I'm showing, don't think this is wrong or right. Now this is sleeves, okay. Now from here, see this shoulder line, from there you make 2 little curve line, and this part join this, okay. Now come down, this is waist line, so 1 here, 1 here, half you take, this are knee, no, and then your little curve, okay, and then go like this way, this, and here see this pocket, so you can make like this. Now the leg we are making, again come, this come in a center, okay, here and here, same way here and here. Now from here this leg is bending up to coming here narrow, and this is coming up to here narrow, so here also like this way narrow. Yes, now this is the foot part, and here also. So now we are making very simple. Done, simple, easy. Now it is 5 minutes 40 seconds, this much. Now we come to this part. So make U, okay, U and half, like up to here half, and then here 2 eyebrow, half of this, and then see, okay, your nose, your mouth. So we are making simple, we are not making very anatomical. So if you never have drawn, then you can enjoy. So like this way. Done. Okay, so this shoulder part. So simple drawing I have showed you. Okay, so next you also start and show me in the comment section. So we have taken 6 minutes 49 seconds. How you feel? It's easy, na? Very easy. With you, maybe your kids also enjoying, or if kids are here, all of you are enjoying. So let's do one competition. All family member sit together. Again watch this that I have showed you last. This boy running, and all of you draw. And let's see who draw fast. Okay, so that person will win. So now if you draw, upload your that work, your drawing image in the comment section. So right now we have done this. Yes, I'm showing you reverse. And for you, those of you complete, next we are going to make full composition of this. I have to show you only one figure, but see how students or people are making. See the cat and all these are making. Okay, then like a running figure and all. So these are very hardly 5 minutes, 10 minutes drawing, which is any beginners who don't know anything about the drawing, never tried their hand on pencil and drawing, they can also do it. And my method of teaching is very different, very advanced, professional for the beginners. Okay, so as all of you know, I'm Kavita Thakur from JJ School of Arts. Since last 30 years, I'm practicing my this artwork in this field and online training giving since 2004. I'm the pioneer in India who started this online training since 2004, and till now I have worldwide my students, so more than 10,000 students I have taught, and many are successfully running their business of this art business. Some are got the job in schools. So this is what I really enjoy, passion. This is my passion to empower you. This is my passion for create entrepreneurship among the ladies, and also some different section I have. So now let's enjoy and start creating next part. But for that I want you can update me your work progress in the comment section, and I'm thankful that you are coachable. So this is what coach and coachee. So here I am a coach, you are a coachee. Here I am a mentor, you are a mentee. So whenever you want to success in your life, this is just one example. Whenever you want to success in any area of your life, always you need mentor. And when mentor guide you, you follow that, you will get the abundance, breakthrough. So let's join my hand and let's rock this. And those really want to know more about this, you can contact me personally. So you can do it anything, just follow the instruction, whatever I'm giving in my training program, you can do it. So let's join.